name is Kristen Harris and I'm the social media editor at 17th, and I've been here for about 6 months now. So basically my job involves a lot of pieces, mainly social media. So I take care of all of our social platforms, which is everything from Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest. I'm managing those all day long on a day-to-day basis. It's my main job. And then I also am on part of the web team, so I'm helping write and produce the content all day long. We're a little bit different from print in that we are covering things like as they happen and constantly all the time, a lot of newsy stuff. So to be curious and always wonder like what's happening, what's going on, and like scouring and researching at all times and like being on top of that and sort of having that innate curiosity and wondering what's going on in the world is definitely helpful in terms of your writing and being able to cover really awesome things and sometimes like break news and stuff like that. So that's probably, I would say, the most helpful. Our readers definitely the every girl. Generally it's like, I'd say probably 15 to 24-year-olds, but really we're just trying to talk to every young girl out there in America and sort of, you know, help inspire them and educate them as they're growing up. So yeah, it's definitely a little bit of everyone. I think everyone growing up sort of can see themselves in the pages of 17. When I was younger, I felt that way, and that's what I loved about the magazine, was that, you know, it was always inspired you and encouraged you, and you could really see yourself in it versus it being something that's sort of like a fantasy in a way. And that's something that I always loved. When I first started, you post things and you do things as you write them and as they come up, and sort of over time you come to learn what does better and what doesn't, what celebrities they prefer, and what sort of language really resonates with them. And it's really just sort of monitoring that and learning and noticing things as you go on, and you start to see these trends sort of form. And then you can figure out really what's going to work and what isn't. So it's really being there, talking to them, having a conversation, interacting, and listening to them and hearing what they want to hear and what they want to see and what they want to read, and following through with that and doing it in a way that is authentic to them. There's a lot of heavily focus on the voice, which I would say probably is even a little bit more different than writing for the web. We really try to have the social platforms sort of be as like you're talking to your best friend. So I'm writing in briefs and posting emojis all day long. So it's natural and real and just like, you know, how you would feel as if it's like your friend that's tweeting at you. I would say we mostly work hand in hand with the magazine. So when they are working on an upcoming print issue, we'll always meet with the different section editors and talk about what we can do digitally that makes sense with their story and book. So that's probably like the basis of our relationship, but it's definitely print and digital is tied together a lot. On social media, we're posting literally around the clock. I tweet every 30 minutes at least, and we post on Facebook every hour at least, and then Instagram a few times a day. We're pinning all day long. So for me, I'm always doing social media, and then for the web, we're pretty much publishing all day long as well. We have pitch meetings in the morning where we lay out our schedule for the day, and then we get to writing and we sort of post quick and newsy pieces in the morning, and then we work on longer lead stories in the afternoon. My biggest advice would be perseverance, 100%. It's definitely a long journey in following your dreams, but if there's one thing I learned, it's that it sounds cliche, but it's true. If you really keep trying at something and you never give up on it, it will eventually happen as long as you work really hard at it. There's always going to be those moments where you want to give up and you feel like it's literally impossible. But if you truly want it and you have a passion for it, if you just keep at it, it will end up happening. And that sounds cliche, but it's awesomely true. And that's probably the best thing I've learned growing up.